Hey guys, welcome to this Instagram guide, and here I'll detail how to create avatar in Instagram. So if you want to set an avatar as your Instagram profile photo, or you want to learn to create avatar on Instagram, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to create avatar in Instagram, all you just need to is go ahead and open the Instagram application and sign into your Instagram account. Then you want to go to the profile page, whose avatar you want to create. Then if you have multiple accounts on this same Instagram account, you can just click on the profile icon twice to switch the Instagram profile. Then once that is done, go ahead and click on edit profile on your profile page. Then here, click on edit profile or avatar. Then swipe to avatar or click on avatar to create an avatar. Then you should see create avatar. Show another side of yourself with your avatar. Then go ahead and click on create avatar. Now hang on. Get started with a skin tone. Then here you want to select your skin tone. Click next. Then again, you need to select your hairstyle. So just come here, scroll through, and then select your hairstyle. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and select my hairstyle. And once you click on your hairstyle, you should see how the hairstyle is gonna look. You can just go ahead and choose another hairstyle again to see how the hairstyle is gonna look, and click on next. Here you'll be prompted to select a hair color. Then you can use this slider to change your hair color, or select from the predefined color here. So click on next. Then you'll be prompted to select your body. Select your body shape from the options available here. So just go ahead and select your body shape. Then click on next. Select your outfit. Then you can go for more personalization or click on done. Under more personalization, you have access to redefine what you've chosen before, like body type, face shape, jawline, face mark, and then the rest of them. And once you're done, just go ahead and then click on the save button at the top right. And once you hit the save button, just hang on while the avatar is created. Then you should see creating your avatar. Show off your avatar's new look with profile update and personalized stickers across Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. Avatars are public. They may be shared or interact with by your friends and appear on your profile. Then afterward, go ahead and click on next once you see avatar created. Then hang on. Then you should see you can use your avatar across apps if you sync your name and avatar. Then here, I don't want to sync my avatar. I don't want to use my avatar on Instagram. Then this is it. So this is now your Instagram avatar. If you click on it, you should see add to profile picture. And then the avatar will be added to your profile picture. Then you now have avatar as your profile picture, and then you have your profile picture as your avatar. So that is basically how to create avatar in Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.